Hello. I've got to get music on, hold on. What music do we want? Probably just a Narnia soundtrack as usual. There we go. Okay, not too loud, I hope. That's good. Okay, so back to game deving. Yesterday I played Lethal Company, but you didn't see it because I didn't feel like pressing the go live button, despite the fact that I pressed the button right next to it that says start recording. But I've got the game, I think, everything functional again, so we're going to hop straight in and add probably the most important thing to any role-playing game, some sort of leveling up system, which we currently do not have. Here is game. Look at this. Look at my. I think I have. I'm not sure if the shader is exactly the same as it was last time, but I am happy with it, except something. I don't know why everything goes blue and fadey like that. Yeah, look. Also, there's a fucking thing still that I need to fix. But that's a different thing that needs to be fixed. I worked out how the landscape painter works. Not the foliage painter works. So now if we run over this way, look at this. These are all procedurally painted trees. And shrubbery. Look at that. Run into the woods, tank your frame rate completely. Look at all those real-time shadows. I don't know if it's showing so on stream, but you can very much feel the frame drops when you're looking at a lot of the trees here. But it is so fun that I can just do that, you know? But that's not even the thing I was trying to show you. I think the game is working again. There's some test stuff. We now have all of the bars and stuff working. We can attack you. We attack you again, and then you're dead. I don't think I got quite the same animation for the death, but they do die properly. Everything displayed properly. Well, properly as per the rules of how it was originally displayed, which aren't technically what I planned long term. What we do need to work on is, as I said, the leveling up system. At some point I'm probably going to get distracted and make a nicer UI for the battles, because God knows that does need to happen. Well, first things first, open up all of the necessary stuff. Also, I can probably delete the old content folder now. Don't think there's anything in here that's necessary. Oh, hang on, actually. I'm just going to make sure. Yeah, okay, cool. Everything, that whole thing can be deleted, I think. 985 assets. Okay, this might take a minute. In the meantime, I have to acknowledge the fact that my face camera isn't tracking at all. Just my map, just my lips. That is because at some point I'm going to switch over to a PNG for these streams, because it's game dev. A lot of the time I'm not like locked in. I'm just sort of spinning in my chair while thinking and talking. So the face tracking is like more of a detriment to the viewing experience, I think. so I've just turned my camera the other way. Oh hey, it crashed. The background did not like me deleting all that. Send and restart, I guess. Guess I'll delete it another time. Also, in the meantime, while we wait for it to load again. Again, Lethal Company streams, I also don't want to use face cam for the same reason. Holy shit, it actually loaded. Oh, I'm talking. So I made myself a little PNG of me with my knife. Look at that me. Actually, right after I stopped playing last night, I just... Productivity for this specifically struck me. I drew the entire line art, and then this morning I scanned it and drew the entire thing. I haven't done shading yet because I'm shit at shading. What I'm going to do is like pose my regular 3D model with light on it so I can use that as a reference for shading. Pretty like regular stuff. And that's going to be... This is what I'm going to use for the public streams, and then for... I'll have a different PNG probably for programming streams. Just because I don't think me with a knife in an orange jumpsuit is really appropriate for programming. No, Gwen, don't try it again. Gotta delete it in smaller parts. Okay, did not like me deleting that. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, I guess better thing to talk about while we wait for it to reload is what the plan for making XP is and leveling ups and stuff. Basically, we want it to, during battle, every time you kill an enemy, an XP amount based on the level of that enemy will be added to a temporary variable in the battle manager. And then once you win a battle, the total sum of all the XP gained from each of those enemies will then be distributed evenly amongst your team. Maybe not evenly, maybe as a ratio depending on how much damage each character did. But that seems like it could have potential for different balancing issues. So yeah, that's what I was going to do, and then there'll be like a cutscene menu thing at the end of battle that will show you the tally of how your XP has been added to everyone. Yeah, it won't apply it at all till like the very end of battle. Then it'll show like an animation of everyone leveling up and what stats changed before it returns you to the overworld. And that's how we do. Yeah, delete those, we're not using them. Oh, okay, this might take a minute. What can we do in the meantime while we're waiting? Actually, I suppose having this music on is a good thing to talk about. I want to get back speed running this game. I want to do the 100% run. I need to finish routing it. I have fully lost the file where I was doing the diagram of it, of the route, so I might have just deleted that or not saved it after the last planning stream. I do still have the live splits file we were working with, so I should be able to work something out from that. Oh hey, it crashed. Yeah, I want to get back, I want to do the 100% route properly. Then maybe start doing the other runs on a higher difficulty. Okay, it didn't even drop a crash log. Oh damn, Paint it made a different app crash as well. Okay, now nothing on this computer is behaving. Okay, what the fuck is happening? It just restarted my Windows UI? Okay, great. Can we open it normally this way again? Please? Okay, that's expected, that's fine. Okay, I might need to go the Epic Games launcher this way. Okay, we're back in. I suppose I should stop trying to delete the old content and just do that off stream. So, as I said, first things up, we're adding XP, so we're going to need the battle manager, we're going to need the battler, we're going to need the battler data, and we're going to need the player character. Okay. No, why can't I? There we go, okay, it was just straight up not letting me move the camera for a second there. Also, I guess I should acknowledge something. This is Snork. Snork is part of this project now. Look at him. Anyway, these two are gay and married. That's canon. So, as I said, we need all the things open, so we need to go to Game Modes, Battle, Blueprints, Battle Manager. We need a variable that is gained XP, which will be an integer, because we don't need it to be a float. Integer is always going to be solid, no solid, no, full whole numbers. There we go. Numbers with holes in them. So there we go. We have that. We now need to find wherever the battler data is stored. It's in battle/data. We need to add a float value, no, an integer value called XP. That's right, XP goes here. And as well as what does that mean? What's the save game tick up? It's a very blue serialized saving. Maybe I'll have to look into that. As well as XP, we need their level, which is also an integer, and it will be the default values will be 0 and 0, I guess. That makes sense. And in Battle Manager, when an enemy dies, okay, this is when an alive enemy reaches 0 HP. We drag all this stuff over here. So it doesn't need to go that far, just need to go to there, I think, and then we set gained XP to gained XP, add now this enemy. This enemy and get their battler data, break it, oh no, hang on, no, because that's the XP they need to level up, so there needs to be a separate thing for enemy battlers. That is how much XP they should gift on death. Which could be like a function of their level, I guess, or like a function of their level relative to the average level of the player's party. Which could be something. So, oh, sorry. Or we could make it a fixed value per enemy cluster in the overworld. Which would be either as a function, but Let's just set a default of like yeah, 20 seems reasonable. So, oh, hang on. Wait, there's a better way of doing this because we already have it connected over here. We can grab that, bring it over. God, my freaking blueprints are such a mess. Well, no, it's just the inherent nature of them, because there's no room to do anything. Have to... Every bit of code has to have a physical position. Makes it so hard to add new things without it looking messy. Oh, Trix, hi! Welcome in. Today I'm making my RPG into actually an RPG by adding experience points and leveling up. Thank you for head pats. Oh, those are in the wrong place. Down. There we go. Okay, good to know that that's broken. Wait, why is that broken? Hang on. Oh shit, my sounds are hidden. Okay, so if I bonk display and bonk sound. Okay, it's broken. Bonk should have a filter, an audio move. Oh shit, I haven't got that plugin installed on my desktop. Okay, that's another thing that's broken still. No, it's not. Move to... Oh yeah, okay, that's just fully missing. Okay. But anyway, Trix, how are you today? How are you doing? Well, good to know that sounds work. Just not the interaction between sound and rendered elements. You're alive? Well, that's good. If this goes here. So now when you when you defeat an enemy, you gain XP to the final stage of the elusive realm. Yeah, and die to the final boss. You have to start all the way over if you die at the final boss. Oh god. Oh god. I haven't even started it yet. Actually, I haven't played the game in a few days. I probably should get back to it. You're saving for Rochia now. Yeah, that makes sense. You gotta get that clown. So if this is where lots of moving what does that do? It would take me. Oh right, that's not how it works. Okay. Where the hell is that called from? Fontaine on Mondstadt will give you a clown in Genshin. Yeah, that'll work. They could do that. They should. There needs to be more clowns in Genshin. It's a very clownable world. Like, it would totally make sense in it. Well, I suppose a lot of things would make sense in the setting given how very much the stuff there is there. Oh yeah, they've got to be a Genshin clown. Oh, every time I try to hydrate without someone actually telling me to, I choke. Oh, don't die, Gwen. Not enough clowns in general. Yeah, exactly. Where? Which? This one? No, it would be in the UI maybe? Yeah, you just have to go draw a bit, or we want to do nap. Well then, nap a bit first and draw later? Or if you nap, you're just going to go to sleep? This is the thing, this is the talk. Okay, so, how does this work again? Sleep, most being so tired, you must crash in the day. Well, I say you shouldn't force yourself to draw if you're too tired. You know, there's no pressure to actually do it. It's almost 8. Because this copies the data when you talk to the last battler. This copies its data, creates the new player 2 save game object. But we can finish it soon because you want to get the stickers made. Yeah, I mean, I want to see your stickers made too, but also I don't want you to push yourself if you can't do it right now. Okay, so for now we just make it so that before we make the player team a better functional thing, for now we'll just give all of the XP to the player character. So we need to break the player's data and then make battler data with all the same inputs except add this. It's been so difficult lately, so I'll get you back down to baseline pain over impossible once you get out. Could be patient, but you're not a patient person. Yeah, I understand. But if you don't have patience, it'll take longer, I assume. I don't fucking know. Do listen to me. Have some rest. Anything to make it worse? Okay, good. That's not good, but good that my suspicion was more, or the assumption I'd made was confirmed. I gotta shut up now. You built a bookshelf last week? What? That's... Your body doesn't love doing things. Yeah, I'm... Okay, but now that you have a bookshelf, read one of the books instead of doing things. Unless... Oh, it depends off. Yeah, go read a book. Stop typing in my chat. That's probably making it worse as well. Let me click this fucking dot. You're okay in chat though? Okay. Click this fucking dot. God, I hate this game engine. Does this node even need to be a node? Yes, it does, because this is going through other things, which isn't bad, but it looks shit. Although anything ever not looks shit in this. You asked about being Faye's home, because it's easy to talk to her and be mentors to it, but if she's gone, I feel like Kate out. I mean, that's what the rest of us are here for, right? So you can stream and we can be there with you. We'll see how these stream helps too, because you can chit chat. Yeah, see? Streaming is just good. Always good streams. Stream's good. What am I even trying to do here? Does this work? Everything. Whoa. This looks like a fucking mess. The interaction is nice. I know. I love humans. Love yapping with people. Okay, that can be deleted. That's just some test printing. That's also test printing. That can go. This is a fucking horrendous mess. I think this is literally just to change the health of an enemy after it gets attacked. And it's the main downside of doing this thing that makes it easier to do this bit. Like, it makes it this bit easier, otherwise we'd have to set each variable as a manual one of these, which means it would be so hard to manage the blueprint, but then doing it this way makes it shit this way. Play about. Oh, then the altering code to live alone and stuff, and that basically never ended for you, so how you stream on Twitch makes a big difference. Yeah, I can imagine. Actually, I can't imagine. I wasn't lonely during COVID. COVID's when I realised that I actually prefer talking to people to not talking to people. Because that's when I sort of started streaming seriously. Also, like, I met people online doing that. Yeah, it's good to have found an escape from the loneliness. Is that something? No, it's not. You didn't start streaming during COVID, but that's when you founded your server? Oh, wow. Oh shit, I still haven't fixed my server. Add that to the list of things to do after stream today. Oh god, a week or two since I said I'd do it. You know, whatever, I'm sure they can wait. No one talks there anyway. Okay, how do I even test if this works? You made your model just to kill time and for a challenge. When you're streaming, you're surprised how much you like it. You simply have to yap. Yeah, yapping's great, and you genuinely just made your model to kill time. That makes it even more impressive. What's this? Oh, I should probably make it so that when we spawn back in the overworld, it prints out the player's XP so we know it's... so I can tell if something's happened. The event begin play. Print string. Get Vapor data. Break. Get the XP. Now every time we load into the overworld, the grass made one and you got inspired, so you made 3. Wait, 3? I know there's tricks, there's that... I don't know, what? I know I've seen a lot of your characters. Which other ones have rigged models? Tricks, Nebula, and Combi. Okay. I think I know. I think I can kind of tell which of your characters they are from the names. Why is it still printing? Okay, that's a 0. That shouldn't say 0. Shit. Combi's the jellyfish boy. Yeah, that's what I thought. And Nebula. Yeah, okay. I don't know. I don't remember who Nebula is. You're gonna have to remind me as well. Also, I'm going to fix that shader issue because it's really bloody annoying. Here's the blue guy with pig. Oh yeah, no, I know Nebula. I think I've seen you stream with that one. Everything with the texture. Is that it? No, that did not fix it. God, you can only tell when it's in full screen. That sucks. Doesn't keep ever streaming Combi though. Actually, I think it would be confusing for a lot of people who are so very used to seeing tricks. I don't think you have a rig file on this computer. What's causing that then? We turn the shadow texture back on. No, it's not material. You don't like to confuse, but you do actually use Nebula because he's so pretty. Unless you would have variety. Yeah, I get that. That makes sense. Back when my model wasn't such a direct there was like insert of myself, I'd considered having multiple. I mean, I had multiple outfits, but like I had considered making other characters to stream as, just because I hadn't decided that Gwen, as she was on screen, was going to just be me. For Aerith next year, if you can. Ooh, I'm very excited to see. That's not the right thing. You're allowed to flatten that shit. Saturation? No, saturation. Definitely more percent, but Nebula's far more detailed rig in that, using to show off your capabilities. Do you ever think you'll like do a newer, updated rig of tricks now that you're better? Oh no, that's the thing I hated. Don't turn on watercolor. You thought of it, but you're attached to your wonk model, so at this point you're attached to your wonk model at this point, since it's your very first rig. Yeah, can't beat the nostalgia, can you? That's fair. Chewy tricks. I know, I'm so excited for chewy tricks. That people better get on and hit those goals so we can see chewy tricks. Getting there for sure. Next year, definitely. Oh yeah, definitely within next year. Can't even. I might hit my goals within if we're going that far ahead. Actually, oh god, I'm only like 30 away from my next arbitrary goal. Anyway, I'm here and 200-ish on Blue Sky. Ooh, that doesn't feel like a lot. What's the thing I'm looking for? There's a thing, I don't know where it is. Lightness shading? Why is that not ticked? Because I couldn't figure out how to get it to work again. That's realistically not far off, yeah. You just kicked me. How dare you kick me? You'd never kick me, would you, Snork? I'm feeling more confident in your streams. Sometimes you yourself start thinking we're too loud or obnoxious, but ladies less and less. Yeah, that's because that's not true. You're a great streamer. I genuinely thoroughly enjoy your streams. That's why I show up. Oh shit, no, I don't want to do a battle. I'm trying to fix the shaders. I mean, I have worries about my streams too, but I sort of ignore it by thinking I simply do not care because I'm here to be me, and if you don't like me, tough shit, you should find a different stream. Which is probably a terrible attitude to have, but like, I don't know how to not be me on these streams and just... I can't put on a character really. So you just gotta put up with whatever the fuck I'm doing with my regular self. You know what, fucking ignoring the shader for now, because that's not what we're meant to be doing today, and I have no idea what the fuck's wrong with it. But testing again. Oh, hang on, maybe... Where is it? Game modes, overworld, level, no, not level, blueprints, generic roamer. What's your battle data? Give XP is 20, so you should be giving 20 XP. Oh, hang on. Oh, in the battle manager, I forgot to change it after I realised that... Oh no, the give XP is what it's using. Maybe it's using the wrong battler? That you'd have issues for the same, like if you don't enjoy the vibes, just take your butt elsewhere. Yes, if you don't enjoy it, it's not for you. There's plenty of other people doing things here. You know, I'm enjoying myself, so what's it matter? I mean, I don't really do this with the expectation that I'm ever gonna like do it full time, so I don't really care about scaring off people who don't want to just hang with my vibes. Okay, so why isn't this working? What is this doing? What are you printing? Oh, you're printing the enemy's HP every time it gets... No, just all the time. You're printing every enemy's HP. Stop doing that. Okay, so it should be setting something. You kind of have to think out the perspective of getting somewhere. You want to support your wife and not feel like you move. Yeah, totally valid perspective to have. I just know that that's unrealistic for me, so I don't. Okay, if you end up doing something that makes you uncomfortable, like if what ends up being successful is something that makes you uncomfortable, that's not worth it. Being yourself is better advertising. I, however, am just shit at advertising. And I'm fucking fiddling with stuff on my desk. When stop, you're meant to be doing a thing. Do thing. Did it work? I swear it didn't work before. Let's test again. Maybe it was just a fluke. You must die. Attack. They are attacked enemy. Thank you. Very useful log. Okay, 0. It still says 0. Why does it still say 0? Fuck you, game. Oh, hang on. Maybe it's not loading the data properly, so... Third-person character, construction script. It's not. Okay. All it's doing is taking the position from the save game. Need to get our battle data as well. Also, since you draw, you don't necessarily need to make income from the stream if you can use it to help you find clients instead. Yeah, oh yeah, of course, that's a thing too. And I don't think I could just use it for anything. Now it should work. There is one small issue that I have sort of forgotten. The way max HP works is very stupid and I need to fix it. Currently, there's no max HP stored outside of battle, so every time you take damage in battle, the next battle you go into, your max HP is going to be permanently reduced because it will reset your max HP, the HP you had going out of the last battle, coming into the new battle. Had a lot of fun during the sub-badge last night. Really happy people suggested neck ruffles. Yeah, your neck ruffles are so cool. I love them. Shame that it doesn't seem to be showing up on me though. I want my ruffles. I love ruffles. I should get a ruffle collar in real life. That's way off topic from what was going on there, but I should. Actually, slightly more on topic comment would be, I don't know what I'm doing with my sub badges. So, I have too many badges. I've got to stop giving you money because I have too many badges from it. There we go. Yeah, everyone just take a moment to breathe. Start the soundtrack again. Ooh. Ooh. We need deer theme badges. Yeah, I do need something deer themed, but like, I'm not sure what the escalation of badges would be. Would it just be like different coloured antlers? Well, something I need to do is, where would it? It's down here somewhere. This. A while ago I came up with this concept where I wanted to make my follower and sub bars like an on-screen overlay like I have down here, but make them like a Souls-like UI, and I have not got around to that other than this mock-up I made. Maybe I could just take this and make that a sub badge. Something like that. Deer noses are cute or hooves? Deer noses I think would be a problem because that's just sort of like a black blob and that wouldn't really be like too... I don't think it would really visually say much, and it would probably blend in too much to the background on various nose colours? Maybe. How about I draw a deer nose like... I usually draw my nose like... that? I don't know if that looks like a real deer's nose, but that's how I map it onto my human nose. Various nose colours? Rainbow nose. I could do a rainbow nose. I already read that message, but rainbow nose. Little phallic, yeah, that's an issue. Alright, I think different colour antlers could work, but again, they're quite like a thin object, so once you get it down to like sub-badge scale, once you get it down to sub-badge scale, it'll be like that, and that's just indistinguishable. Deer tail, ooh, deer tail's an idea, yeah. Also, ad break coming up in like half a minute. Brace yourselves. Actually, yeah, about that is the size we'd be dealing with size of my antler there is about what a sub badge size is. Or at least on the on-screen bit. Well, ad break time, so I'm gonna go have a drink, do my stretches, get my meds. See you in a minute. Enjoy the ads. Or don't, I can't control you. Use an ad blocker for all I care. Tricks with the Prime sub, whoa! Thank you, that's very kind. Wow, and while I wasn't looking as well, did my alert come up? Or I think some of my alerts are broken. What did it look like? But thank you very much. That's so kind. And you got in a little sneaky sneak and sneaking in onto the founder badge. That means there's only 3 of those left. Go tell your friends that you can still get the prestigious Gwen Spanner founder badge. Ooh, actually, you know what? That would be a funny thing to make for my sub badges. Make it the first icon. Just to confuse everyone. Also, something else I still need to do is resize my emotes, because when I was remaking them for my new model, I for some reason made them at like 2/3 of the resolution to my previous version, and I don't know why, and I still need to fix it because they look terrible. The lines are way too fat. You need to make emotes too, or should you call yourself an artist? I know. What sort of artist are you if you can't do this one really specific type, or if you haven't got around to doing this one really specific thing? You're doing what artists do best, procrastinating. It's what game devs do best as well. But also, like, I've paid for a lot of people to access those emotes, you better make some for us. Okay, let's get my blackboard back. Oh, and welcome back from ads, everyone who got them. I assume there's other people here, right? So, if we have a thing doing the thing, was the thing working or not? I think the thing's not working, but I'm going to test it twice at the same time now. So let's find the guy to kill. Or find 2 guys to kill. Hey, do you guys want to get killed? Of course you do. Bam. Guys. Getting stabbed. What should you do? Give you ideas. Your brain's currently an empty dry erase board. Just get the usual sort of ones. You've already got the heart one. We love the heart. We love the Trix heart. I, for some reason, have 2 different head pats. Because I have the animated Bags head pats and the Gwen head pats. I have getting bonked. I have a wave. What other ones do people have? What are the classic ones that everyone does? Actually, hold on. I want to... Okay, getting distracted again. It's been a while since I drew these, but I do want to just acknowledge it again. That my headpads emote was kind of a joke when I made it. Like, the headpad is so powerful, it's sending shards of my antlers flying everywhere. Oh yeah, raid emote. Hang on. Mine looks like this. And I made a very stupid mistake. I've made my raid emote into a follower emote, meaning that you just can't use it in raids because follower emotes are only available in my chat, and I need to fix that. Good eyes, so big smile and eyes. You want to rig a headband emote that completely squishes the model? Well, I just got mine from, there's a like an animated headpat GIF maker I could find online. Hang on. It just... Is this the one? Yeah, this is the one. Pictures do I have? There you go, Angry Gwen. Is too high res for this to handle, okay? Feature things, notes. Okay, apparently the site's broken. If you have one like that, so you want to do either giant headpad or just drop an anvil on your model. Oh yeah, squish, just get squished. Not just squish with hammer. Oh god, that's the split layers one. Right now, anything that's just like a regular me. Sure, this works. Just squish. And Bill, it's all good enough. Yeah, you do have a sippy mode. I've definitely seen that. Oh, that needs to be in a new layer. There we go, Gwen got squish. Oh no. Hold on, I'm just gonna merge that down, save that as a new thing. Another way to physically abuse me in chat. Actually, another one I was thinking of for myself, probably wouldn't apply so much to you, but I'm like a whole, I have my like whole computer projection thing. So what I'm thinking is I'd make like a just a regular Gwen like this again, but it's got like got that sort of glitchy effect on it, which doesn't really scan with the sort of CRT vibes I usually go for. But the whole thing's anachronistic anyway. I might as well. Like I had those. Blocks of like this. That's terrible. I can't draw it on the fly. Like not necessarily an emote that had any like emotional meaning, as that's what emote means. Like it can't be used to really emote anything, but just sort of for fun to fill up the animated slots. I do love my pop cat. It was a fucking pain to figure out how to do the hair though. It was on the way to tune with glitch effects and it was pretty fun to do. Ooh. Oh yeah, I've definitely seen that, yeah. I've never drawn glitch effects before. I'll have to figure it out. You're not allowed to make PopCap play, he's gonna do it for you. Aww. Yeah, this was fucking hell to figure out how to draw the hair and face fit properly. Art program? I use paint.net because I usually do very small resolution stuff, and this is great for pixel art. Well, it's great for single frame pixel art. It's not good for animation. I mean, well, actually, usually for if we're being realistic, if I'm being not realistic, if I'm being honest, usually for art I use pencil and paper. Sometimes I then trace over it in paint.net, like I did here. Where's my... Another form, if you need to add glitch effects, hit you up and you'll use custom brushes with clips you go. Okay, I'll keep that in mind. Hang on, I have a load of effects. Tools, selection, render. I can summon a Mandelbrot fractal. Wrong layer. Hold on, I can summon a Mandelbrot fractal. That's something. Gotta count for something, right? Boom. Fractal. Not a real fractal because you can zoom in and it doesn't keep going. But it's fun that I just have a button to generate that. Distort? No. And a Julia fractal? What's a Julia fractal? Oh, that one. That's pretty. Okay, I have got so horrendously distracted. For some reason I opened up the train map of my Minecraft world. This is the train map of my Minecraft world. Distracting me big time? Yeah, it's fine. I like the distraction. It's better content for me to yap with someone in chat than silently code, which is what this also could have been. Oh god, I've been anviled again. Oh my god, that is some glitchy brushes. Sorry, I just saw your DM tricks. Yeah, that's some glitchy brushes. But let's kill these book face guys, because that's what I was meant to be testing. Bam. Bam. And you have so many effects and still barely use them. Yeah, that's like me with fonts. I, for some reason, install a lot of fonts on my computer and don't use them. I don't know why I install fonts. It's not like I do much graphic design, but I just have a lot of fonts. I have several different like Persona 5 style fonts. Here we have Hello World in various things. I don't know, I went to go and say Hello World if it's the name of the font. Then I have to change it. We have that style, we have it this style, which is like newspaper cutout style. What's the other one? I think there's one just called P5 hat. Yeah, this is just like a Persona 5 menu font. I don't know why. I think I was trying to. Oh no, it was for my. It was because I was trying to make a J card for my Persona 5 for my Atlas Music mixtape. We have this fucking thing before I realised that cassettes are really like a bad idea for music in the digital age. I have this fucking shitpost album art I made. Yeah, we really have gotten off topic. Meant to be killing these guys. Let me kill these guys. Okay? Slap. Slap. It said 80. Why did it say 80? It should only say 2040. It should only say 60. Unless it was adding on from the... But no. What? 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 Oh, yeah, Yeah, I think I've downloaded some of the fonts from that page you just sent me as well. Actually, I think a lot of those ones I haven't even installed, they're still just sitting in my downloads. Actually, hang on, my favourite font. I know I'm meant to be testing the game and I just got rid of my testing save file. T4. Please tell me it's still here. Hey, there we go. Oh, right, with no H. How do I say something entirely? Yeah, there we go. I have the font of a made-up language that my friend Astra made. And it's genuinely one of my most used fonts, because I mean, this isn't, like, correctly formatted, but no, it's a fun thing. In fact, this says I love you. I love you / platonic in that language. I've got distracted again. Let me kill these guys in my game. Right there, stabby time again. Trix, just keep saying stabby time in chat until I get done with stabby times, okay? No idea what those numbers are. I don't remember what else I have printing something. You need a knife? Oh yeah, you need knives. You got. That's a good idea for you. You get knives. I should get the Narnia guy down. I should get the Narnia guy as an emote. Because in case anyone missed it, I mention it every stream, but this guy is a model I ripped from the Narnia DS game. It's an ankle slicer, but we stand the ankle slicer. And final blow. 120? What? Oh shit, it's carrying over from previous saves because it's not resetting on spawn. Okay, that makes sense. 120, yeah, that makes sense. That should have gone up by 40. Then this time, after I kill this guy, it should say 100. 140 after I kill this one. 140. Okay, it is working. I can just get a good print screen of you. Oh, perfectly in a square. What's his name? Okay, saving that for my emotes. Okay, so if we want to get distracted in an actually beneficial way, the generic Roma isn't meant to do this. You are meant to be modular. So you need to be reset, you need to be reset. Compile it like that. Make all the variables instance editable. Not you though, you don't matter. Now we can create child blueprints for the zombie, which we then restore to what it was before. Prepared, and you get maybe bookhead overall. No, that's not rigged yet. You need just the asset for it. Okay. No, also we can also make another child blueprint, which will be BP underscore diorama, because we got to get the deers back in here. The deers got lost when we were starting the game over. Look at that majestic deer. I've got to fix the deer's animation blueprint. Deer stag. That's a lot of errors, but they're fine. That's fine, I'll fix that in a minute. First thing, this. Okay, so this is gonna have to just be completely scrapped and started over, so we need idle goes in the middle. Run goes there. Run goes there. Oh, no, not real movement. Walk. 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 Turn. 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 I think that's the same. There we go, okay. Okay, so now we have the blend space working. We get the animation blueprint working. Once again, pass to dear Roma. Rotation rate. You get out of here. Replace it with the new working variable. Boom, boom, boom. Compile. It doesn't know something. There's something missing. Where's the... Oh, the sequence player doesn't exist. What? This is... the walking state as the walking state, which references the blend space. I guess we need to get the blend space again. There we go. Okay, now it works. Now we can create a deer. So we go to game mode, overworld, blueprints, and here in the middle of the woods, so not up in the fucking sky, get down on the ground. Somewhere over there, maybe. Here, so I don't have to tank performance to reach it. Set a wander radius of like 500. That's tiny. Set a wander radius of like 5,000. Yeah, that's a pretty nice bit of woods for the deer. Group size will say, so how many deer do we want? 6? 6. Deer aroma. Save everything and play. Which means, oh right, that's not compiled. Okay, that's fine. We don't need that. Where are my guys? Why haven't my guys spawned? Blueprint compile error? Shut up, that isn't even a blueprint we're using. Okay, we're very close to having our deer. Why is nothing spawning? Hang on, no, something is. Oh, it's still trying to spawn generic roamers, which are invisible under the new thing, so it needs to be changed to... zombie? Yeah, I did call them zombie, okay. And I accidentally selected the invalid deer for this one, didn't I? Should be deer roamer, not deer wanderer. There we go, okay. We've got our zombies chilling over here in the plains, and then if we take a little walk into the woods, we should be able to find some lovely deer. There's a deer. How majestic. In fact, in real life, deer do have this sort of upper body strength where they can just stand on their front legs like this. Actually, totally real. Okay, where's the rest of the Shikanuka? Where are they? Why isn't that one moving? Seriously, why isn't it moving? Okay, so it is possessed correctly. Yeah, it should work, because the other ones are working. Definitely spawning the right type of deer. Deer Roma, that's the only valid type. Oh, hold on a second. Okay, so why is the deer not doing anything? Oh my god, okay, this is such patchy navigation, it probably had nowhere to go. Wait, the foliage isn't meant to mess with. Okay, so if I just delete that for a bit, we're gonna have to say goodbye to the woods. No, it's just shit navigation over here? That doesn't seem right. It's so smooth. This should be navigable. Oh, hang on, I have to build. I have to build it, don't I? Maybe I should undo the fact that I deleted that. Build. Build geometry. That built, it's not showing me anything, so I assume it's built. And then we build paths. Navigation build completed, but it doesn't look like it. It looks like you just gave up halfway along here. And delete that again. Build paths. Okay, something's off here. Oh hey, and the landscape sculpting is broken again. It's just stuck in the corner. This happened before, I don't know why. The rest of the map looks fine, but for some reason this bit's just all sort of blotchy because it's not actually recomputing properly. Back to selection. Where's the nav mesh bounds volume? Yeah, okay, something's seriously up. Oh, I need to delete the old one? Maybe. And then build it? No, there's nothing. Why is there nothing? downloading a dozen more brushes you won't use. Welcome back. Things aren't going well in here. Fuck. No, don't try to load it when there's no nav data. Oh, now it builds the nav again. Can it just, it's not showing any navigation data. Talk to mobile, no, okay. Oh, there's just nothing. I have to build all? That might fix it? Maybe? Lighting build. Now show me the navigation build, please. Reflection captions. That's very fancy stuff that I don't care about. I wish I knew how to turn it all off. No importance, volumes found, and the scene is so large that you won't like. Okay, how about fuck you? I don't care about lighting. Okay, so I delete the nav mesh bounds, bring in a new nav mesh. Put you at 0, 0, 0. Make you 50,000. 15,000 and like 20,000, I think. And then we press P. Nav data count 1. Build paths. It's just deciding to fucking not work. Maybe if I reload load a different level, then load this again. Okay, that's an animation test, which should probably be deleted. Okay, and then just showing nothing. Okay, so theoretically, if I run this, it should not work. Because it shouldn't be able to spawn and it should freeze, and this is what broke my game before. I shouldn't be doing this. Yeah, they're all just standing on the spot where the center of the thing is, which is what the deer was doing as well, I guess. So why is it broken? Like, it should not take that little time to build nav data. If it's able to get some sort of partition of what's going on with the landscape, but you know, that did a thing, but there we go. Okay, see, this was all smooth before, so now the deer should be able to roam, but also If I paint in more foliage... Oh, fuck's sake, my foliage is gone. I'm going to have to load all my foliage. Where is it? European hornbeam. Foliage. You can't do that. In like 2 different shrubs. There we go. Tick them all. I want them all to have a chance of spawning when we do our paintbrush. These ones are big enough that they should not affect navigation, or they should affect navigation. Okay, yes, that's correct. What? Custom navigable geometry. No, it doesn't have custom navigation geometry. Collisions enabled, then it's convex traverse screen. And then for the rest of these, your tiny little shrubs, and you shouldn't affect navigation whatsoever. Okay, now we make sure our paint density is correct. Yep, that is correct. Massive brush. And let the forest return. Let it figure out what it's doing with the lighting. Okay, it seems to figure it out. Should we build the navigation again? Probably. There we go, okay. Now, as I was trying to say like 20 minutes ago, we got all the zombies chilling over here. We should disable the character's jump. It's so goofy and there's no actual animation for it. If we go into the woods, that's where the deer be. Oh god, the deer are so slow. Right, yeah, because they're inheriting the movement speed of the zombies. Spell walk speed. Max walk speed is like 200, I think. That's their running animation. Now, we... Yes, those guys are floating, I'll fix that. There we go, we've got some deers in the woods. If I really wanted to, I could fight the deer, but we don't want to. Deer are friendly. And just since we've got everything working again, I should go to foliage. deselect all of, I'm going to select you again. Up the density to, and paint in a load of this, which has not worked, I don't think. There we go, okay. Just so it's extra foresty. And extra lagging my computer out. Okay, this one's big enough, they should probably have collision. A very important question is how does... Oh wait, no, I want to go back to foliage mode. I want to select U is 40U, so if I change it so that this happens, then we update our nav mesh bounds. You have to do all the trees just to make sure. Or does it only affect trees being placed going forwards? Because that's really annoying if it does. Oh hey, end of the soundtrack again. Then rebuild the nav. Of summon type because these things are now meant to affect navigation. That's strange. We've got so off track from what we were meant to do today. Honestly, that's fine. I think that, yeah, I think it only affects ones being placed going forwards, which is annoying. Oh, I see. So if I do this, and select everything, now I should be able to Okay, so that's already set then, so I was wrong. Okay, now it's rebuilding navigation around them. There we go, that's all I wanted, to be able to see that. Oh fuck, that does mean that something could spawn inside a tree. Which is hilarious, but also not what we want. So what were we meant to be doing today? Well, we've done something, I guess. Want more zombies down in the pit. The pit here, there should be zombies in it. Maybe slightly fewer zombies. Like 20 of them. Also probably only 20 up here because we're going to start lagging shit out if we have hundreds of entities in here. And there's the pit zombies. Oh god, I'm sliding down. Slide. Oh, just this one tiny little sapling down here. All alone. Oh fuck, that's an issue. Okay. So navigable surface for these means that they just act fucking stupid for every situation. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn all that I worked so hard on back off. Okay, back to the foliage painter. Change this back to do not do the thing. Or I could just delete it all and figure it out another time since it's barely functional anyway. Oh, that only these ones of the chosen type. Okay, interesting. Well, let's paint these in. That's way too high of a density. That's still way too high of a density. And then suddenly it's way too low. So we want 0.0005 like I had originally. Okay, whew. Well, that was a whole 2 hours of like nothing in particular, and apparently my parents have an electrician coming very early tomorrow morning, so I need to get an early night as well as clean my room because they're finally putting a light switch in the right place for my room. So I'm going to end disappointingly early with disappointingly little done today. Thank you all very, very much for being here, and please, while I find someone to raid, do all the usual social media things. Please follow me if you haven't already. Subscribe if you think I deserve it and you can afford it. Join my Discord server, which is almost operational again. Check me out on Blue Sky. No longer Twitter, just Blue Sky now. YouTube, I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna figure out a way to start doing YouTube stuff again soon. I promise. Be it by hiring an editor or just fucking dedicating some time to it myself. I think that's all the places I am, and I will be sending you off to. Holy shit! There's a lot of people live today. Sending off to here's Ryan. Here's Ryan. Oh, Faye's still live. Okay. Yeah, okay, rating Faye. Go send some love over to our lovely friend Faye Solstrom. I haven't even checked what she's playing right now. Coral Island. Oh, that's a game. I know that one. Yeah, go send some love, and I will see you all tomorrow with Minecraft, probably, because I think it's time we start hunting for the lost temples of Ithnagra. Bye!